about what silence really means. I got passwords, I got rules, I got 20 ways to lose. Every week another new condition. When they love need tech support and permission. Dinner Friday, Paris in June. Flower Sunday, answer me soon. Pay the bill, improve your affection. When the fuck did love become a subscription? Ow! Weekend getaway, sea view room, another suitcase, another perfume. Take a picture, not like that. Take another, tilt your hat. Post a smile and make it sweet. Tag the restaurant where we eat. If I don't come in fast enough, apparently that means I'm out of love. I got deadlines, I got tests, guessing games and little quests. Every month another new edition. Who keeps updating this fucking subscription? Dinner Friday, weekend away. Birthday coming, better fucking pay. Read my mind and show some ambition. When the fuck did love become a subscription? You seem distant, I'm right here. You sound different, have a beer. Do you love me? Yes, I do. Then why'd you like her picture too? Oh, for fuck's sake! Every sentence hides a trap. Every answer needs a map. One wrong word and here we go. 3-hour trial for something from 6 months ago.